This is a question that came up in 2016 and it says if y equals x sin by 1 over x, find y dy dx. So here we have a quantity in x multiplied by another quantity in x. So we're going to have to use the product rule. So I'm just going to write out the product rule. So that's if y equals uv and then dy dx equals u dv dx plus v du dx. That's u dv dx. So u is equal to x, and then v is equal to sin of 1 over x. And then the derivative of u in respect to x will be 1, and the derivative of, well, v can be written as, because we can't derive it just the way it is at the moment, but if we write that as sin, if we bring the x above the line, as x to the power of 1, we're going to have to use the chain rule to derive this part here. So the chain rule, we'll derive the sin part, which will be cos of the angle by the derivative of the angle, which is the derivative of x to the power of minus 1. So it will be minus 1 x to the power of minus 2. And then we just sub in what the angle was here. So then it's cos of 1 over x multiplied by minus 1 over x squared. And then we're going to sub that back into our formula. So it's going to be u, which is x, by dv dx, which is minus 1 over x squared, by cos of 1 over x, and then that's plus v, which is v is sin 1 over x, and then by du dx, which is just 1. And we were just asked to find dy dx, so I'm just going to tie this up a little. So I'm multiplying by an x outside, so it's just going to be 1 over x by cos, so it's going to, sorry, that's a minus here, so it's going to be minus 1 over x by cos of 1 over x plus sin 1 over x. And so that is our derivative. That is the derivative of the function that we were given. And then just I'm going to go on to get the next part of the question, just what the next part says, and just getting onto it now. And then, sorry for the delay. So past exam papers. Sorry, so this is a 2016 question, and I'm going to have to go on to the next part of the question in another video, so stay tuned.